Hello friends, this is me Vijay Chan, continuing the lecture series for the current affairs which are important for the upcoming JKSSB exams. Friends, these MCQs are equally important for the upcoming JKPSC, UPSC and SSC exams. In the previous lecture, we did 15 most important current affairs for the month of March. Now we will discuss 15 more. Okay, so let's start. Question number 16th. International Day of Happiness is celebrated on option A 20th March, option B 21st March, option C 23rd March, option D 24th March. And the correct option is option A 20th March. Friends, the theme for this year's International Day of Happiness was Happiness for All, Forever. Okay. Question can be asked from this also. Theme can also be asked. In the happiness index, International Happiness Index, Finland came at top. Finland came at the first spot in the World Happiness Index. India's position was 139th out of 149 countries. So Indians are not that much happy. Question number 17th. Recently, RBI took out which of the following banks from the prompt corrective action? Okay. Option A is HDFC, option B is IDBI, option C is SBI, option D is PNB. And the correct answer is IDBI. RBI took IDBI out from the prompt corrective action. Question number 18th. Who among the following is the first Indian female cricketer to score 10,000 runs in her international career? Option A is Mithali Raj, option B Smriti Mandhana, option C Harmanpreet Kaur, option D Poonam Yadav. And the correct answer for this is option A Mithali Raj. Okay. Mithali Raj became the first Indian cricketer and the second international cricketer to score 10,000 runs. Second international and first Indian. Okay, to score 10,000 runs in international career. Question number 19th. World's first ship tunnel is being built in. Option A is France, option B China, option C Norway, option D US. The correct answer for this is option C Norway. Okay. The name of this tunnel is STAD tunnel. STAD. STAD tunnel. Question number 20. India's first tuberculosis free union territory is option A Chandigarh, option B J&K, option C Ladakh, option D Lakshadweep. And the correct answer for this is option D Lakshadweep. Okay. Friends, Badgam district of J&K has also been recently declared as TB free. Okay. This is important current affair at the local level. Badgam district of J&K has been recently declared as tuberculosis free. Question number 21st. Who became the youngest Indian to climb the Mount Kilimanjaro? Okay. This is African mountain. Option A is Virat Chandra, option B Sonam Lotus, option C Colton Tanner, option D Neha Wasim. And the correct answer for this is Virat Chandra. Okay. He is the youngest Indian to climb Mount Kilimanjaro. He is 7 years old. And Colton Tanner is the youngest to climb the Mount Kilimanjaro, overall youngest. He was 6 years and some days old when he climbed the Mount Kilimanjaro. Okay. Colton Tanner is youngest in the world and Virat Chandra is the youngest Indian to climb the Mount Kilimanjaro. Question number 22. The theme for this year's World Hearing Day is option A, hearing care for all. Let's hear them. Hear the unheard. Option D is hear all. And the correct option is hearing care for all. Option A, hearing care for all is the theme for this year's World Hearing Day. Okay. Question number 13th. Question number 23rd. The book Advantage India, the story of Indian tennis has been written by option A, Sania Mirza, option B, Leander Paes, option C, Mahesh Bhupati, option D, Anindya Datta. And the correct answer for this is option D, Anindya Datta. Anindya Datta has authored the book Advantage India, the story of Indian tennis. Okay. Question number 24th. What is the India's rank in Harun Global Rich List Index 2020? Option A is 4th, option B 5th, option C 10th, option D 3rd. And the correct answer for this is option D 3rd. India has 209 billionaires, 40 more than last year. Okay. India in 2020 has 209 billionaires. Okay. Which are 40 more than the last year. Question number 25th. Dastak Abhiyan against the communicable diseases has been launched in. Friends, the communicable diseases are in the syllabus of graduate level exam of JKSSB. So this current affair is equally important. Option A is Uttar Pradesh, option B Madhya Pradesh, option C Bihar, option D Jharkhand. And the correct answer for this is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Friends, in 2021, this Dastak Abhiyan was launched in Uttar Pradesh in Varanasi. Okay. And in 2020, it was in Bihar. In 2020, it was launched in Bihar. And in 2021, in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Question number 26. Reducing elephant attacks by using bees, a rehab campaign has been launched in option A Tamil Nadu, option B Karnataka, option C Odisha, option D Kerala. And the correct answer for this is Karnataka, option B Karnataka. In the Kodagu district of Karnataka, rehab campaign has been launched to safeguard elephant attacks, to safeguard humans from the elephant attacks using bees. Okay. Now question number 27th. Desert Flag is an annual multinational Air Force exercise hosted by option A Saudi Arabia, option B UAE, option C Egypt, option D India. The correct answer for this is option B UAE. The correct answer for this is option B UAE. This year India also joined this exercise. Okay. It is Air Force exercise. Many nations come, but is hosted by UAE. Question number 28th. World TB Day is observed every year on option A 24th March, option B 26th March, option C 20th March, option D 21st March. And the correct answer for this is 24th of March. Okay. World TB Day is observed on 24th of March. Badgam district of J&K has become TB free recently. Okay. And Lakshadweep Union Territory is also TB free. Question number 29th. Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2020 was given to option A Donald Trump, option B Shinzo Abe, option C Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, option D Narendra Modi. And the correct answer for this is Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was the founder of Bangladesh and the first Prime Minister of Bangladesh also. Okay. He was the leader under which Bangladesh got its independence from Pakistan in 1971. Okay. Question number 30. Who has been appointed as the Surgeon General of US President Joe Biden? Option A is James Hutton, option B Rakesh Kumar, option C Vivek Murthy, option D Arvind Mathur. And the correct answer for this is option C Vivek Murthy. Vivek Murthy has been appointed as the Surgeon General of US President Joe Biden. Friends, this concludes the today's lecture. Please do subscribe, like and share for further lectures. Till then, enjoy, be safe, bye bye.